What are the most popular Chinese social media? Due to Great Firewall, Chinese audience cannot access to the international social media platform, such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Instead, China has developed its own social media ecosystem, with platforms that may appear similar to their international counterparts, but function differently and cater to a unique audience. This makes it challenging for international business to market effectively in China. In this video, I will introduce the 6 most popular social media platforms in China, including WeChat, Douyin, Weibo, Bilibili, RedNote, and Zhihu, and explain their unique features and benefits for your business. Save this video and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in Chinese social media marketing. First, WeChat. What is WeChat? WeChat is China's most popular social media platform, with over 1.3 billion monthly active users. Initially launched as an instant message app, it has now evolved into a complete ecosystem, allowing Chinese users to do everything from messaging friends and family, shopping online, pay bills, buy flight tickets, watching video, and much more. How can business leverage WeChat? For business, WeChat provides 3 ways to enter Chinese market. First, WeChat official account. Second, WeChat enterprise account, so-called WeCom. Third, WeChat mini program. WeChat official account is an essential tool for international brands looking to showcase their product and service to the Chinese audience and post blog content. As Chinese users primarily using mobile device, so WeChat official account can serve as a company website. However, WeChat is a closed ecosystem, which means users will not receive your post notification unless they actively search for you and follow you on WeChat. This also makes WeChat as a customer relationship management platform for engaging with existing customers. In my upcoming video, I will provide more detail about this WeChat marketplace. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to know more about how to leverage WeChat for your business in China. Second, Douyin. What's Douyin? Douyin, also known as TikTok outside of China, is a short video sharing platform with over 700 million monthly active users, offering a wide range of short videos, live stream, and interactive features to engage users. Douyin attracts users from all kinds of generations. However, the platform is particularly popular among users who are looking for entertainment. The strong entertainment attribute makes it a great platform to kill time. How can business leverage Douyin? For business, Douyin is a great platform to create short and engaging videos to attract audience. One simple strategy for B2C brand is to start by identifying their target audience and the pain point. From there, you can create the videos to showcase how your product and service can solve their problem. This approach can work well with industries such as skincare, beauty, and fitness, which naturally focus on solving users' problem. However, for industries that may struggle to produce educational content or may have relatively few products to showcase, there are other approaches to consider. In my next video about Douyin, I will discuss additional strategies to help this brand make the most use of Douyin. Stay updated. Third, Weibo. What is Weibo? Weibo is a micro-blogging platform similar to Twitter, with over 500 million monthly active users. The platform is popular among Chinese celebrities and entertainment industry professionals. Over 50% of Weibo's monthly active users comes from celebrities' fans. However, as the new trendy social media platforms are growing, the Weibo's development is limited and the new users group are few. How can business leverage Weibo? Weibo is still an excellent platform for business to generate buzz and create big news, especially in the entertainment industry. Unlike WeChat, Weibo is more open and has a strong news attribute, making it an ideal choice for public relation efforts. Its hashtag function allows business to easily monitor and participate in the relevant conversation, making it an effective tool for reputation management. Fourth, Bilibili. What is Bilibili? Similar to YouTube, Bilibili is a video sharing platform that primarily focuses on longer videos with a duration over 5 minutes. It is known for its diverse content categories, including gaming, animation, and knowledge sharing. With over 300 million monthly active users, Bilibili strongly appeals to younger generation, particularly Gen Z users. Around 80% of Bilibili's user space is under 30, making it valuable for business to target younger audience. How can business leverage Bilibili? For business, Bilibili creates an opportunity to reach to a highly engaged and younger audience through creative and engaging content. Brands can leverage Bilibili by creating content that align with the interests of their target audience under a specific category, such as animation, music, gaming, travel, and technology. Bilibili also offers advertising options such as banner ads and pre-roll ads. that can help business to further promote their product or service to the platform users. Fifth, Little Red Book. What is Little Red Book? Little Red Book, also known as 小红书, is a lifestyle and shopping recommendation platform with a monthly active user base of over 260 million. The platform's users are primarily located at Chinese major cities, such as Guangdong, Shanghai, and Beijing, as well as overseas. Little Red Book's user base is relatively high purchasing capacity and some with international background, making it an ideal platform for international consumer brands looking to tap into Chinese market. How can business leverage Little Red Book? Business Little Red Book is an essential platform for any consumer product, as it serves as a commercial decision-making social media platform. Chinese consumers often turn to Little Red Book to read users' review before they purchase a product. The most effective way to market on Little Red Book is through KOL marketing, where business can partner with influential users to promote their product and increase brand exposure. Sixth, Zhihu. What is Zhihu? Like Quora, Zhihu is a question and answer platform allowing users to ask and answer various topics. The platform has over 100 million monthly active users with well-educated audience. How can business leverage Zhihu? Zhihu is a platform where business can share their expertise and knowledge to the Chinese audience. One way to leverage Zhihu is by answering relevant questions related to your industry, which can help establish your brand as a thought leader and build trust with potential customers. Additionally, content on Zhihu is highly ranked on Baidu, China's leading search engine, which makes it a valuable tool for improving your company's SEO. In conclusion, each social media platform in China offers its own set of unique features and benefits for business. Therefore, it's crucial to define your goal in Chinese market and determine which platform is your target audience most active on to achieve the desired results. If you have any question or require assistance in navigating the Chinese social media landscape, feel free to book a consultation with me. I will provide an in-depth analysis tailored to your industry and brand. Hi, I'm Zoe, a social media expert with over 5 years experience. I'm passionate about helping business grow and succeed in the competitive Chinese market. Welcome to subscribe my channel. See you next time.